welcome back. My name is Liliana and today I'm going to show you how to make a decorative stitch quilt. Making a decorative quilt gives a different look in your fabrics. You can match it with thread colors with the fabric or with plastic snaps. If you want to know everything about plastic snap, you can click right here or click in the link on the description box. Actually, you can improve your sales and make some extra money. Keep watching and let's see how you can do that. To make our quilt, we are going to need the interfacing, fabric, a ruler, and I normally use a pen which disappear with a hot. That's all we need. So we just need to make some lines on it. Normally I use 3 centimeters. All done? I'm going to sew over all my lines. So this side is all done. As you can see, I will show you on the back. All my stripes are sewed. So now I'm going to do other ones, okay? We're gonna sew over these lines. So our quilt is done. Now I'm gonna make my lines disappear and I will be back. Our quilt is all done. As you can see, I will show you on the back. I made another ones so you can be inspired. I love this one. Next time, maybe. So I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to tell me on the comments which is your favorite one. Yellow, blue or gray. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the notifications on so you can be notified for the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, let's watch some bloopers. Difference look
Different.
Differente. Keep watching. Actually, see you in the next video.